Okay guys, so the first DIY ornament I want to show you guys that I used on my Christmas tree is this burlap ribbon, and I bought this on Amazon, and I love how it feels. It feels like jute. It feels like jute, and it have that vibe. So I cut it to about 30 inches. You can use a tape measure for accuracy. I'm kind of like winging it here. So what you want to do after you've cut the ribbon is you want to make a bow. And then what I do is lay it flat, kind of try to measure it up a little bit. And then I attempt to make a bow. And I find that this is very easy for me to do it this way. I've tried making other bows, and if I'm to be honest, you guys, didn't work out. So you want to like scrunch the middle up like this. Try and get it as equal as possible. And you can either secure your bow by using a tie strap, or you can probably use like a string or something. I feel like a tie strap works better for me, so I'm going to secure it with the tie strap. And plus I can always get the tie strap at a hardware or something. So I begin to secure the bow, and I'm pulling this thick part here to the back, and you want to just tighten as much as possible, and then try to see if you can fluff up the sides. Isn't that like a cute bow, you guys? All right, so the next thing you want to do is just cut off the back of the tie strap, and then you're going to fold the end, and you're just going to cut it as slant as you possibly can. You see that bow effect tail, and you're going to do the same thing for the other side. And this, my friends, is your bow. And I just add this to my Christmas tree, and I'm absolutely loving it. All right guys, so the next ornament that I did and I put on my Christmas tree, which I really like, and if you can, I don't know if you guys realize the theme of my Christmas tree, it's gold, it's like nude colors, so I'm sticking within that range. So I bought some yarn. I actually bought this yarn at Fontana Pharmacy. I was just there and I picked it up. You can sure find yarn at like Ping's fabric store. They're available there. And I also bought these at Fontana, these craft wood round beads, and I got these for maybe $299 plus tax. It comes with maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces in there, and I got quite a few because I had a few ideas of what I wanted, you know, to use the beads for. So what you want to do is you want to roll some of the yarn off, and then you secure it around your hand. So I'm just wrapping this around maybe about 25 to 30 times. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it to be as secure as possible. Yeah, I think that's about 30 times. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off and like wrap it here, right? Then I'm going to take another piece of the yarn, maybe about there, and I'm going to tie it and secure that little section. See if I can do this with my two hands. All right, so this is secured, right? I'm taking a piece of my twine. I got this twine from Amazon. I'm not sure if you're able to get it here, but I'm sure you could have used the yarn as well, but I'm using the twine because it's more hard. And I'm just going to make a knot here at the top. So it's kind of like making a pom-pom. secure it right there. Just going to tighten it a little bit. Then I'm just going to cut here in two, like so. Just even this up a little bit. Cut off that part. So you have like a pom-pom type of thing going on here. You can cut it a little bit more and even everything up, but I don't think it matters, to be honest. I don't think it matters. Right, and then now what you're going to do is, I'm using a twine in order to help the string to go through. So I'm using a bigger bead first. Pull that through. And then I'm going to use a smaller one on top. Right, and then all you have to do is secure it. And this, my friend, is an ornament. How cute is this? So cute, right? All right, so the next ornament I have here is, I saw this on Pinterest as well. Like I said, take a shot every time I say Pinterest, because I'm probably going to say it 100 times before this video ends. All right, so I bought this white bow at Fontana, but Fontana and Kingston. I didn't see white bows in Mandeville, but you guys can check if you want. So I also have these, what I call them, Scrabble. Yeah, Scrabble. So I have S-K-A-Y for my name, which is S-K. I also did one for my husband, and I also have one for joy, because that's what Christmas brings, right? Joy. Jesus brings joy, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut this ribbon to, let me see if I can measure it up a little bit. So I want to cut a little bit above, maybe like there. And then what you want to do is just place the letters on the ribbon like so, and just try and even them up as best as possible. And then what you're going to do is, you're going to take your hot glue gun. I'm going to use this cardboard because I don't want the desk to get any glue on there, right? So what you want to do is squeeze a little and just press it down so it sticks. And just wait for it to dry a little bit. Then what you want to do, you could have used a bow like so and put it on the top there. But what I'm going to do, because I have a theme for my Christmas tree, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the very same ribbon, the jute or burlap ribbon. And what I did was I cut it. I cut it a little bit thinner, and I also turned it into a bow. So I probably don't need all of this, so I'm just going to cut it right here. It's not going to be a perfect bow. It's not going to be like a extra cute bow or anything, but I'm turning it into a bow just like that. And then I'm just going to glue gun it so it stays in place. And you want to do that for this side as well. Yeah, for it to stay in place. And then you're going to just put it at the top here. Fold and cut again. Then I'm going to take my twine, and I'm cutting the twine probably about, maybe, I don't know the inches and the centimeter thing, but you guys, like this, and I'm going to just hot glue that onto the back of the bow. Just allow it to dry. Crafted. Oops. Oops guys, sorry, wrong thing. I put it on the bottom instead of the top. So yeah, put it on the top. Like so, and just allow for it to dry a little bit. And this is the ornament with my name on it. How cute is that? I mean, it would have been, I think it would have been 100% more cute with the red on it, but I don't want to, no red on my Christmas tree this year, so I'm sticking with this. All right guys, so the last ornament that I want to show you guys is, I'm going to be using this twine, and all I'm going to do, this is actually very much trending, and this is like a farmhouse style ornament or decor. You can actually use it as decor. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the twine with beads of different sizes. Just hoping that I have enough beads. So that's different sizes overall. This one is so much easier to do because the twine is stiffer. It's more stiff than the yarn. I have these different types too, so I'm going to throw some of that on there as well. This is probably going to take a little bit of time, so we're just going to speed this up. Kind of looks like a necklace, but this goes on the tree. I'm probably going to put it on the skirt of the tree. I'm not sure yet, but it is definitely going on the tree. Love how it turned out. Love the different elements that it has with the different types of bead, and this is so in style right now. People are using it all over their house, not just on their trees. They're using it as decor and to style and so on and so forth. So you guys definitely should try doing these yourself. You can find all of these at a craft store or something. You know, if you don't have the twine, they have strings like this, because I actually bought this and I didn't get to use it at all. This is a cotton cord. They also sell this at Fontana, and I guess other craft stores, you can check there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thumbs me up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, so I cut the burlap to about maybe 6 inches, I think.
No, that's not 6 inches.
What? This is what. All right, so I cut the burlap to about 9 inches.
This is inches.
Oh, 23 inches?
24 inches.
What's the 9 for?
2 feet.
2 feet?
The 9 is half to do with this. This is 59. This is centimeters.
Let me hit your thing.
So this is about 2 feet or 24 inches.
24 inches. All right. I'm going to start that over.